Fáilte róg léir nó a níos beag nóméid go mé mí léir ciúin agus smuoinóméid duine smainhin, duine mange agus Dóní Crowley a caiileach in Nirig agus a bhí an páirteach in san paráid. Good. Scored the Queen Fibri Bialang Gairhig. Boniad in Lady of Kahaptiad, August in Liana, Tadic of Kailura, no Kablian, August is Untop and Rodeshin, the Shride Valabio. Tadic Planal, Gome Ihe Kailura, in Liana, in Mina Sawin, big social in Malahornus and in Ostan Gognaton. So big pillar holistic tap to shin Reish Tamalin. Komala Shin, I suppose we have to celebrate that Don Dinidan is piping with 55 years. So Hogard Kostona, that's a lot of blowing, Donna. Yeah. Okay. So Hogardicus. So Mila Huecus, the Queen Fibri, be along with Huecus.
Medina is soca is lú a bheith ag siúl sa paráid, agus tá an-smacht ag garóidín ortha.
Inis chuir míad fáilte mór roimh Níonra Bialang an Gairhig. Nadina is tóca is lú a bheith ag siúl sa paráid, agus tá an-smacht ag garóidín ortha.
Vila Hungairhig, Fue Stewart, Garodini Vokla, Agus Mary I Ferriel. An Smakdaka, Nadina Oga, Agus Bian Gas Eshunachos and the Inra. O Nea Clogger Madin, Goody a Doyug, Agus O Doyug, Goody a Tree. So Bian Shid An Ganohuk, Lenadina Vyoga. Bulabas Moor, than the Foshti on the Inra Vila Hungairhig. Shot Furin, Pella, Fui Doyug, Knock Lads Bra or Fadiad. The Voigshid and Rebelog, Fui Doyug. So Ardig and Curran and Shin Jamie. Ardig and Curran, up we go, Anava. So a Shahamak Beg for an Anava, it be a Lahangairhig, Makamad and the lads Shah, Susan Pell, Agus Malen and Shidaraigas, Lesh, Bemidan Vrodulasov, Lenigir right now, lads. She took a finara gave ni Misha Sean O'Sullivan. So ta Sean ik token sassam Liana agus the correct kester me shahianov. Ni din me job komahas din and Sean got Lian agus rinne Sean le shock Liana diag and nuase. So I think Bulabas more for Sean O'Sullivan who did this for the past 17 years. Okay, now we welcome the children's fancy dress. So, beg festus breg in the posh diaging. So, along they come, and we have to figure out who these guys and Colleens are. So, a right, Latin Shaw?
The name's Birdseye. Birdseye Waffle.
Birdseye Waffle. Shin Gahuntuk or Fad. Who helped you make that outfit?
Her. Yeah.
Agus a rinnish of or Hoksha Fada or a Vayanov. You were working all through the night, probably.
Nope.
So this is Aisling Cuiva Deneen from Acris and Birdseye Waffle. Mahu Cuiva.
But I played a waffles. Go with me, Magnus, fish fingers, eggs, grandma's steak, chips, grill and bacon, fry, and eat them. Birds, I played a waffles.
Anawa Cuiva, Mahu. Whoa, Nilisagum Ketan Shahagum. Kadasanim Dash.
Donica.
Donica. Niraka me ri of Donica glace the Mershin. What kind of a Donica are you? Are you a human Donica or an alien Donica?
Out of space.
Out of space. Out of space. Ar valet the Aiga has spent the Gakinga? To show us who you are? Have you any song to sing? No. Okay. Lena Reichen, are you Donica Hurley? Yeah. Donica Hurley. Okay, Anava Donica. Ooh, Fiacig tact. Who's coming here? Lift it up, good girl. Were you in Frank's? Yeah? Were you in Frank's?
Yeah.
And were you shopping?
Yeah.
And why were you shopping?
In Killarney.
And what did you buy?
Bread.
And why did you buy all the bread?
To go here to the show.
Oh, very good. And were you buying it when the Schnackta was coming?
No.
Your mother's housekeeping leaves a bit to be desired, does it? Yeah. What's your name? Cleana. And are you from Killarney too? Can we call to Killarney for a sandwich later? Yeah. So Cleana agus Durin Nilera o Killarna. Anava. Neadar Kataig Tactanish. Ta Agla Oram, but neadar on Riv Mat, eh? No one dinner at Ta and Shaw. Kehe Tussa. Bara.
Bara.
Agus a Riv Farshnach de Faka, Teration Andra Imshire Galera Vigain.
Yeah.
Agus Cadas Anam den Farshnach de.
Kevin.
Oh, Gahaling or Fad. So a Rala Twirlian of the Gakinga? No, right. Okay, is Fader let Lenun to right, Bara? Mahu. Matt, is that one of your toilet roll holders? Is it? Yeah? There's one left for tomorrow, he said. Anish, Ke Ta and Shahaging. Inishtam.
Little Green Riding Hood.
Little Green Riding Hood? I never heard of Little Green Riding Hood, but I see a Little Green Riding Hood. And what are you looking for?
You make vegan goria just ta on Mactira tact.
Tá Mactira ag tacht an Mactira desi no Mactira dana eh.
Mactira Dana.
Agus, well agla earth.
Neil.
Níl an agla earth. Cáfuil an Mactira dana.
Mactira Dana on Shin.
Cáhad. Táhad. Níl isagum, so. Níl an agla earth. Woohoo! Anava. Shin Noreen agus Edel ní chríadáin. Little Green Riding Hood agus an Mactira dana. Anava, Lenny Gearaig. Vishit Gahunta Garfad. Who is coming this time? I've seen that umbrella before. Right, who have we now? Cadasanam Dot.
Stormella. Hannah.
Hannah agus Storm Emma nu Philia. Hannah Matá Artana. Agus a Rev Shiva Moss and I'm sure shin.
Yeah.
Cadavi Ayan of a give.
Ignorant.
Were you playing outside in Storm Emma?
Yeah, I went out at 4:30.
And did the wind blow you away?
No.
And did ye have great fun?
Yeah.
Well, ye look really good. Shaw, Elizabeth agus Hannah ní Hulavan. Yeah. Do you miss Dad today? Is he here? Dad isn't here at all. Could he not handle it? No. Okay, so, he's broita. He couldn't handle the snow. Okay. Right, Slán Kalini, Gurav Mahagav. Ke atá a goman seo. What's happening here, lads?
Tommy na fair mountain na glynna.
Na fair a bhí hús ag bar a glanna. Cén bblion a raibh Siobhan, Cillian? Nédiag a hochdiag. So cé bhéad blion céilúra é bara?
Cian blian.
So tá bara, Sean agus Cillian agus tá céilúra bíal a glanna. So imbliana this year on the 7th of the 7th of July, there's a celebration of Bíal Glenna and the 100 years. So these lads are you going to do something for us? Yeah? No. Right. So you just want to look good, yeah? Will you sing us a song? No. Right. Are you sure? And I heard you got a new baby cousin during the week. What's his name? Daniel, isn't that lovely? So there's another boy to play with. So do you need Bula Boss, the Sean, Cillian agus Bara ó Deneen atá mar na Saidúri a bhí ag blian a glenna ciad bblian ó hin. Anna bha. Now, cé tá tucht. One second now. Ní ahaníam Shiv. Who are ye supposed to be? Who's this?
It's Mr. Frank.
It's Tussa Frank. So if you're Frank, Kehe Tussa.
It's missionary.
One second now, Ta Five and Shaw. It's Mission Noreen. Kade Shaw. seo? Sin ignorín. Agus an grúig, carinna tú an grúig des, de gar tú de grúig. Well, aren't they very smart? Now, Frank, tar howlin' Sean no maid, we've to see, is this buckle like you? Come over here. Man. Come here. Now, do we look alike? Are they right now? Costume, Frank and Sean? Do we look good? Yeah? I think he's a bit fat for me, in fairness now. Less of the pillow. I'm trying my best. Éana ó céilechar agus Derry ó tuama get off these scamps. What's worse is my mother's laughing too. Right, Kate, it talked Kumanish. Who have I? Inishtum the enam.
Tommy on Cougar is far.
On Cougar is far. Jeannie Mackers, that's a great title. Cadis enam diet?
Clean is anam dog. Mayor is anam. Israel is anam dog. Soil is anam. Anna is anam dog.
Shin go home to our father, because Cadavega Yenova go even know. What are you going to do for us?
Tommy na cunyon of Rinka Dave.
Rinka, Shin go home to. Will Kyola give? Shane, wake up there, boy. Kyola good? Right, Bader, Dinner, and Dalav and so Kahik should fear Kinter Shagina. That is the best dancing ever. Now, I reckoned that Anna and Isabel are after learning those moves from Richard Lucy. Am I right? Was that you, Richard? Yeah, oh, we know it. Time to get you back, Richard, bye. Do you want to come out and show them to us, Richard? Will you? Come on, Brian. Man, we'll be nice to you. Man. So Anna, Isabel, Maeve, Saiv, agus Cliana, Bulabas Murdas na Kalini. Keita Kuing in Ish, wow. Neil, Naran, Lehu, or Naran, Lehuil, Governor Scale. So, will Rodegn Lydian of a good doing?
Naran, Sparga, and Stirring.
On Aran, Sparall, den Stirring, Bogagir and Shin. Agus will Moran Aran a good?
Ta.
Agus will Shiv Gane Galair Eha?
Ta.
Yeah. Agus will Shiv Gane Rind Le Inge? Does anyone else get a slice of bread?
Yeah. Jag got English Sheen on.
Shin go hungtuk fad. So ta taig Dunaka agus áinge ní léire a going agus rinne their job úntaach leis an Tarán go léir. Búla bus mórdóibh, anna bha.
An céad dúis, well, bhí de greléir go húntaach, ag measant le búla bas tiltte có go léir. So an dúr gach inge búla bas, de gach inge a gléisús, agus I'd say go hór an na moms agus na dads sa bhí go bra réir. So runimar an céad dúis le haig an drum a tháinig I cinach an Tarán ó Franks, an drum ó Clárna, Cliana agus Deireanna, okay, má sibh. Ag a cócéim de bhí an farsnach de Kevin ó Cahar, bhí sé ar ausar fad. An Stirrim Ophelia agus Stirrim Emma, có village. an sin tá cín san agam. San. Agus bhí an waffle ar austar fad agus an órán únta go chaintí. Right, covan na arán, na blog arán, bhí si go húnta tarnain seo buclaí agus cailína i muin trí léire. Má sibh, tá. Ní an fan láb go an bhirta sa graimir sin Okay. Agus measan go méid Helen ag brunna an dúis don ceann is fearr. Bhfuil Helen tíopa?
Right, tá dúis speisialta am líana is Kern Donny Crowley é. So, míle buchas de muinter is míle buchas de muinter I Crowley agus míle buchas de Helen atá an seo an jobhagoin. Agus tá si chun an Kern seo a bhrunna ar céim duine? An waffle. So, sin go húntaach. Anna bha cuive tar súscadí Helen. Yeah. Helen agus cuive fiú Kern. Yeah. Tá dínig tactic ré tríd bí lá an gairthaigh. They're the Schley Moosgree Ultra Marathon. Now I was hoping to do it myself, but then I got called for this. I had fierce plans, and really I'm a bit disappointed. I've my tight pants on under this. I might whip it off in a minute and go for a run. So these lads are running from Cailkill to Mill Street. And they'll be passing through now in a minute, and we'll cheer them on. Anava, will I take them up here? Come on, bye. Come on, follow me. Come on. Kiadina I talked are the kickboxing exhibition. So Tom Muntor Tony, Obion Tree, and they're coming here and they're exhibiting their kickboxing. They go to a class one day in the week in the Holla. And these lads are taking off St. Patrick, getting rid of the snake, isn't it? Yeah. So I hope there's no live snakes, because Noreen has gone out of here if there are. So, Fikigi ar seo agus buinigi ten of us.
No fighting, nothing below the waist, no hugging. Understood? Pick up.
Come on, Niamh Padraig. Niamh Padraig, Anava.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Come on, Niamh Padraig. Shingama, Anava, Tashamarav, dead. Yeah, clear him off there. Anava, Shingahuntuk Arfad, Bulabas Moore, Niamh Padraig, na Amber, Nicronine, yeah, August Niadar Keribe on Nahar Nive, Shin Rickite, or Tony. So back to span the Sinish lesh Nadina Oga attain goody and wrong. Woo! Anava. Whoa, sin go húntaach. Come on, Keelan. Poor puck more da. Anava. Sin go húntaach. Whoa. Come on, Dara. Mahu. Not kick the grafur. Yeah. Shh. Anava. Sin go húntaach níor bhaile an búile libh agus méid siúla bhaile is títhe. Oh, tá cúpla runners ag tacht. Turkey búla bus mór dóibh. Yeah, anava. Badly want to shower after that. Look at the legs. Sin go húntaach. Dína bra láidir. Bíonn rang ag na lads seo I Macromha, Ballavurna, Bean Tree agus Bíolach an Gairthaigh. Uair a bhain sa teachtain. Right, tuairmid búla bostas na lads seo. Good night, Relive. Keep on running. Sin go húntaach na kickboxers. Seo sparring. There's a lot I know about it. Níl mór an eile fáca inis, so just fiach ag iartha ag déanamh an sparring. Fiach na lads seo istigh go lár. Bheadh anagla orm má búlam le na lads sin.
We train every Friday in the Holla at... Okay, sorry. We train every Friday at the Holla. Our club's been around for nearly 25 years now. We've only started last year in Ballingeary anyway. My trainer Ian Kingston trained Tony. Tony's been a world title. He has world titles, European titles, and Irish Open titles. He's an amazing fighter, and it's an absolute pleasure to be helping him teach on a Friday. Thank you.
Sin gráinge agus gur míle maithe go gráinge. Oh, jeez. Sin go húntaach, búla bas mór, sin go húntaach. Oh, jeez. Right. Runners on the way, Frankie. Wake up, boy. Anava, sin go húntaach ar fad. Kickboxing. Right, Boolabos more than Ledshaw. Anava, Lenarai. Apparently this run should have happened last week or the week before, but the snow came along, so that's why it's on today. So I'm desperately upset, really, that I can't do it. Right, Boolabos more, the West Cork Kickboxing Club. Bring their job, Anava. Right, the Boigna lads show the under 14 B3 championship. So Ardigan Choran and Shin Dara Ovrian. Anava, Agus V and Clehe Canish in Aig.
St. James's.
St. James's. Agus on Train Ali, no, Kuivino Buckland show. So Anna Hawk, Duck Boolabus Moore, Dus Nadina, Tagan Agus the Din and Train all low freshen. So Mashiv lads, Lanigi Araig, Agus Boolabus Moore. Okay, on the Taracoris it talked. Now I'm really into these tractors. I know everything about them. It has 4 wheels, a few nice banners. It's John Deere. Eileen Buckley, our agricultural correspondent, has informed me. A John Deere. Anava, the nice, a John Deere 6200. Woohoo! Now that's a New Holland. Lovely 97C Mahou. Jesus, this one is New Holland. Anava. Fionn Leary's out and woohoo! I'd love a spin on that Fionn someday. Aiden, good man, keep it going. Put down the turbo. Woohoo! Fiach ar sha. Tá Larry Múrig tacht, Tá Larry Múrig tacht. Fog an Balachas Stridig isteach, Tá Larry Múrig tacht. Lenarai, Ganava. This is Lehan Tarmac. And a grand horn he has there. Noel Kelleher, Anava Noel. This is called Squash the Children into the Tractor competition. Nora! Woohoo! You have to stop and talk, Nora. Come here to me, Shamrogue. Tasha Gahaling. What? From Trump. Gahaling, yeah. That's a beautiful car, Nora. Better than anything else you have. Hi, Connor Hooer. How's it going, boy? Good. Have you a few sheep in the back or anything? Are they? Good man, you're doing very well. Looking good. Geez, this is a family affair. Hi, Donica. You're after conking out, boy? Yeah. You all right? Will I give you a push? Oh, there's Sir Harrington is coming along. Hello, Declan. Well, to come on.
How are you today, Nody?
I'm very good. Have you any news?
Absolutely none, Nody.
Right, you're looking good in the car. I might go for a spin with you some Sunday.
For the first time.
Agus ag tacht going in a show. Look at this beauty. Yeah, Constantiv. Well done. Good, big arf. We'll do it 10 of us. Yeah, Anava. Tasha Barrows or Fad. Gurmila Mahagav. Right, Shin Gahuntuk. Inish Tasha now no floats of a So, yeah, ta float a letat. Agus Massamgur, Mugrahar, Paddy, O Acris, Agus a Harda, a Vegig Tacht.
Gomagat Nori. Anish Tan Kiert Float. Misha, will then give whisk, will this give K Misha? You haven't a clue, have you? Anybody? No. I've been here for the last 17 years and a woman took my job for me today. Who is it? Yes? Mrs. Sean O'Sullivan, Coven Stara. If there's a question about history, I have the answer. But not today. No, I hope you enjoyed the day and bring a thing of us. Now our first float is, we'll have the parade. So in the first parade, we're going to have fancy dress from Skull Fiumbara. There's two lads supposed to come out from the back shortens, but they're not coming. And they're dressing up in fancy dress. One of our lads, tá búglaváin, bhí sé sigil shortens ó tamil fada, agus búglaile, tá sé all right. So, ní listigum cé hí, or what are they doing? So, if they'd hurry up, we might get somewhere with them. Right, yeah. Okay, lads. Now, please tell me, who are you?
I'm Conor McGregor doing a fight.
Conor McGregor. I think you're a young Connie Moynihan, yes?
Yeah.
Connie Moynihan. Colin McGregor. Will you give us a few kicks, Colin? Colin? Oh! Conor? Anna Mahafad. Now, Kehe and Buckle Shaw.
Shane McGowan.
Shane McGowan. And are you from Skull Fiumbara, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'd say you're there for quite a bit, are you? What class are you in?
Tommy Runga Kuig.
Runga Kuig. Right. Agus, Kenny Shatatu.
Truckane agus 3/4.
Truckane agus 3/4. Anna Mahafad. So Shane, on a fancy dress enough, lads. Tasha Bergani Biog, but Shane in fancy dress, so she'd will come on. No. Usually every year we have the vintage tractors, so they'll revvy up somewhere. And maybe if we got a little bit of music now, it might bring them out. Full of us more. Oh, Tasha to talk to Nish, the new vintage tractors of Villa Hungary.
She goes all the way. When I'm flat to the mat with the party hats, I'm heading for that sail. They thought we were quitting. Well, when the sun went down.
Yeah, Jerry Carter got a new tractor during the week.
Give me a yoke with plenty of poke on a can of easy start.
Brustic, lads, brustic, come on. Right, hold up there, hold up. What kind of a tractor machine is this now? 1 second now. Easy, behold, it is easy, lads, now, easy, no. What's this? Where are you going later on? No, what's your tractor?
Take up to the line and get top gear.
Tractor got
Take up to the line, top gear.
Let this back to last.
Fear the deer.
Fear the deer. They're in Johnstone, and this fella now is?
Ronnie Carter.
Gary Carter, and what does your tractor run on?
She runs on water.
She runs on water. Kilmore water. Pick up your bucket. Now this fella is always in the float. He's Chris. He's had to falling 2 times in the last 3 years, where we've wrapped him a bumper wrap to make sure he doesn't get hurt. Okay, Chris! Oh! And it didn't work. Anna, Chris, take care of yourself, go over there. Now we all know who we have. Oh, we've Nora. Hello, Nora. How are you? Nora, stop. Nora, have you anything to say, Nora? Nora, come back here. Nora. You surely say something, Nora, please. Right. Well, Nora got away again this year. Isn't that a fright? Right. Next up now, we have a little bit of our local musicians. And hopefully they'll play a bit of music for us. And as far as I know, the driver, Olive, was supposed to be driving the quad today, his quad from work. But instead he sent his girlfriend, his new girlfriend, I think. The quad is looking lovely, Olive. Go hauling our father. And you're Olive's girlfriend, what's your name?
Lucinda Craden.
Lucinda Craden. Okay, lads, and we have a bit of music here now. Right, stop to us now, mate. You're going to play some music, and what's the music you're going to play for us?
Testing, 1, 2.
What's the music you're going to play?
Testing, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Testing, 1, 2, 1, 2. And what's the music?
Testing, 1, 2.
It's cut his head and dot.
Testing, 1, 2.
It's cut his head and dot, yeah?
Testing, 1, 2.
Testing, 1, 2. And that's it now. Shall Let's cut it. Call the guy, go.
Testing 1, 2, Shite B and son.
B, cut his head and dot.
Johnny 1, 2.
Johnny 1, 2. Ooh, on about her fault. Right, lads, you're going to have to move out the way because the vintage tractors want to come back. I'm sorry about that, though. We'd love to have some music, but you have to go because the vintage tractors are coming back, and maybe it'll be tuned up for next year. Thanks very much. As the vintage tractors are coming back, and Fiona Cotter is leading the race with the vintage tractors. He's doing very well, but the rest of them are going to Cúigeán Barra. Right. On about, lads. Where are we heading for today, lads? You're in such a hurry.
No, I'm Craig after.
Macroom and Craig after. And they're having a race. And we have a lovely lady driver here. Would you like to give any comment? Please give. And who are you? You don't know. Any other comment? Pat, maybe you'd like to sing a song and tell us about your tractor.
What about it?
About it. Perfect altogether. And Nora's coming back again. Now, while the tractors are going away, Nora, come back a second, Nora. Right, next up now, it's the float. Right, our float, we have two very, very renowned guests coming out in our float this year. The first guest, he's a, what am I now? Yeah. In the blue corner, would you please welcome President of the Free World, Donald Trump. He's been around with the floats a few years, but this is the real good Donald Trump. And in the red corner, would you please welcome the North Korean dictator, Kim Jong-un, with his big rocket. No, they're not very friendly with each other at the moment, but hopefully we can solve that. Welcome, Donald, welcome. Hi, lads. Talk about going out, welcome. Donald Trump, come here to me. Have you anything to say?
I'm gonna win.
You're going to win. Yes, typical. Kim, I haven't got Korean, but can you tell us what you want to say to us today? He says he's enjoying the day so far and he's going to beat the crap out of Donald. Now, lads, would you get in position? And we'll have a bit of music and from the DJ and you can start your round then, okay? Off we go. Be cool, go, oh, watch out! Oh no, watch out, what's coming out? Come on. Oh, yes, out of a hard fall. Come on, as Kim Jong-un is winning here, Donald Trump has got another one out of his pocket. Oh, come on, Donald. Oh, Donald, that's getting me. Oh, me again. This isn't going very good. Catch yourself. Shorts. Go on, grab him. Come on, grab him. Oh, there's a bit of a change of attitude. Change of music. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, yes. World peace at last. Kim Jong-un and Donald are just so delighted. They're going away for a weekend to do bakes together. Hey, not going to shit on them all. No. That's great stuff altogether. So, I suppose they say with the last 2 or 3 years that the winners of the cup were not the right winners. So this year, I think the float and the winners is going to be Mayfair. Thanks very much for our float. Next up.
Right, Gramagad Padraig, hí na lads an sin gohúntaach ar fad. Bula bus mórdas na lads seo. Anna Lenny Hiraig. Super job. So, sin float A agus víidir gohúntaach ar fad. This man, you're doing great, bye. Well done. Cúpla lads ella. They're getting fairly flat now. We're first lucky to live in a village that there's something happening every weekend of the year nearly. So, your support would be greatly appreciated if you all could come over, have a cup of coffee and a piece of cake, and it would be a nice social activity after Mass. So Sweeney Gear Shin, coffee morning next Sunday morning in Coonbarra. Oh gee, tá den éigen an seo, tá Sean O'Sullivan an seo.
Grevenish Gael with Tom Dana. Oh, Jesus. Noreen, this is how you do it now. Connie! Connie! All the tractors down there? Everything ready? Good. Now, Tá Diontas Moore fighte ag Costa Ferbara Bilangarig agus tá planúnta go bheith furdan Olympic an Gera Cup. Agus Aileen, where are you, actually? Aileen Sullivan, my wife, where are you? Where is she? Aileen, where are you? Where's Aileen? Where? Aileen. Aileen. Why didn't you wake me this morning? I lost my job. Noreen took my job. I suppose I better tell him our news today. We're having the station, lads. And everyone's invited. Everyone's invited. Connie? What's happening? What's this about? Now, as I was saying, we're after getting a big jauntus from Costa Ferbara, and we're going to have 2 teams participating in the next Winter Olympics. And our first team is the curling team. Yeah. Now, it's not that type of curling now, Noreen. It's a different type of curling. And we're going to use our local athletes with the most suitable skill set. And, yeah, have we music there, lads? Here they go. Oh, can't you? Right. Right, you can get it there. Our first athlete is a returned exile who's well used to the slippery slope. He's Sean the Yank. And our second athlete, he's very well known in the village. He's not very well used to the piste. He's Patsy Sweeney. Now, we've had to go outside Ballingeary for our next 2 athletes, but they have a local influence as well. The 2 of them, as you can see, are similar height. They're very fit. They love the false 10. Anna Bilahan Gary and Damo Fada. Now, The Hysterical Society are looking for pictures of school children over the years. And we're looking for pictures of lads when they were small. What do you mean when I go away from you? Have you any pictures, Eileen, when you were small? No pictures now. Do you think of any pictures of Connie Creed when he was small? You've loads of them. Loads of them. Everyone has pictures of Connie Creed when he was small. Now, because funds were tight, we've had to cut down the number of events we can do. So our second event, we had to convert a Massey 35. August, here it comes. Now, we have two people in the Massey 35. We have a Brewhor. He's the beast from the east. Shawnee, Twat Twat, Tuma. August, the pilot, the main man, and Stewart, and Faravile, Tak Crummer, Claire, I can say Tak Shees, Came Carvula, Rishtar the Crony. Now, every good team needs a great Bonastor, and we've got one of the best. He's all the way, he's not that far, he's all the way from the west. He's the pest from the west, he's one of the best, he's Peter Creedon. And Peter, all right, lads, no game on. Peter Creedon, you have a very important question to ask. The pest from the west has an important question to ask, the best from the east.
Give me that. Oh, thanks.
Damn good.
What you mean? Sean, what do I? I'm going training in the pitch.
Training in the pitch? Yeah. 'Tis my pitch. 'Tis my pitch. 'Tis my bloody pitch.
Oh, yeah. God damn it. What do you mean? It's your pitch.
How do you mean you're going to train in the pitch?
I'm going to train in the pitch?
Like, if you're going to train in the pitch, you need a little bit of dough, boss.
So how'd you start it? God damn it. How'd you start it?
Do you want dough?
Like, he means bloody dough, like.
So, Shani, you need a bit of dough, is it?
How much do you want? I've half a bit of dough.
How much do you want?
We need a lot of dough. The old GA Club has done a lot of money this year, and we need a pile of dough, like.
What do you mean?
Like.
Half a bit of dough.
Oh, God damn it. Here we go again.
Half a bit of dough? Lads, I don't think this is enough for old Sandy.
Maybe I've 3/4 a bit of dough. Up and down. The stalk.
Well, no, lads, I think this isn't enough of dough because through the old snow spell.
Oh, for God's sake. You want to see this in columns?
So look, lads. Train away.
I pull a bit of dough as well.
God's sake. Right, fair enough, up.
Take him.
Sala. Money. Bobby Fermio. but we sold Coutinho. Mary loveth, money, money, and Stardy too, but we sold Coutinho. Sean the Yank, money, money, Patsy Sweeney too, and we sold Coutinho. Annie Geary, money, money, Shawnee to me too, but we sold Coutinho. Peter Creedon, money, money, Damien Long too, but we sold Coutinho. Barry Larry, money, money, and Stardy too, and we sold Coutinho.
Boulevard scored the float
Barry
B.
Larry,
Super job.
money, money, and Stardy
Sin
too,
Cahoonta Garfad.
and we sold Coutinho.
Tá glúisteáin le tachtain is, I'd say. Right, sin críochlann na glúisteáin. So tá float A agus float B contact le chéile inis con is tócha smuoineh a cháirde Dinny Moynihan agus Donny Crowley agus tá rud éigean á dhéanamh acu in memory of their two friends who died in the past year. So they worked together with Dinny and with Donny over the past number of years, and these guys would like to pay tribute to their good friends. Now, I don't think it's going to be very serious, is it? No. But it's still remembering two people that are not with us today. So, right. And the stewards, Inge Gervallo, Carulo, is Fader Tuck the Stock, Consweenever and the lads.
As drunk could be, I saw a horse outside the door, where my old horse should be. Well, I called me wife and I said to her, will you kindly tell to me, who owns that horse outside the door, where my old horse should be? You're drunk, you silly old fool, and still you cannot see. That's a lovely sow that my mother sent to me. Well, it's many a day I've travelled 100 miles or more, on a saddle on a sow, sure I never saw before. And as I went home on a Tuesday night, as drunk could be, I saw a coat behind the door, where my old coat should be. Well, I called me wife and I said to her, will you kindly tell to me, who owns that coat behind the door, where my old coat should be? You're drunk, you silly old fool, still you cannot see. That's a woolen blanket that my mother sent to me. Well, it's many a day I've travelled 100 miles or more, but buttons in a blanket sure I never saw before. And as I went home on a Wednesday night, as drunk could be, I saw me...
Walk on, with hope in your heart, and you'll never walk alone. You
Míle buchas Steve Glair sin cuioine con das Dinny Winga agus Donny Crowley. Banach Dalo. So, Fanigi Temple now, lads, Cahamid Raleigh, Cahiad na Bohore, being on Stocha Comortis, idir an da float, agus Imliana, ta Meyer, or not Meyer, cad judge, ta Maltor, shine, Teresha, float of on a Piocamak, na Bohore, Kern, Vihil, Eganeen, Gavila is a Hokdiog, na float A. So Mahagan the Dina Cooing, float A, Mahagan the off the Octadic Tact, Shin Gahunta Garfad. So on Kern Vihil Eganeen, Van Hamid Godiga Tukig na lads Ella, Bishop Gahunta Garfad. Yeah. Here, on the lads Zig Tact the Nish.
Come on, Noreen, I always wanted this trophy. Come on. 17 years I've been waiting.
Now, my Umpian Shift Temple, Tokig na Kalini Green Graph. Fake gear in camera. Cost Temple, lads. Now, Cost Temple. Fiona agus Chris, Kahig Shift Tact. Chris, for God's sake, don't fall. Yeah, Balligila Keela, come on Connie, come on Nora. Anavala. Shingahuntuk. Yeah. Okay, all right, leave Fan and Son, lads, Bioga. We can't see you for the okay. Anava, Shingahuntuk are fad, so Cogardicus, quick note A. So, Ta Du Siobhan Ella Emliana. So Eishtigi no Maid, Ta Áhasaring, Gurhog Winter Eve Weenacon, so that's the family of Dinny Mwinga, would like to have a trophy in his honour to be presented to the best overall actor or actress throughout the parade. So it's just picking one individual for their performance, and they are going to be presented with this trophy. So Connie is gladly going to present the trophy to the best overall actor this year is Kim Chung Wang. Connie, okay. Yeah. Ready? Ready? Right, look at that, honey. Shingahuntak fad. So, Kernshishin, Kriak, Le, on Parade, August Leshin Kailura, Ta Sulamid Gur, Sulagain Gur Winshaf Tanavas, Le Coon of David, Sean O'Sullivan, her nation, Blin Shakuing, August, Biatla Untuk a Guiv Galair. Agus ná derúdagi an coffee morning on Tactin Shakuing I Gwan Barra. Gurmila Mahagiv Galair.
Mowing, lifting, sewing, baling, drawing, hauling a bucker, raking, backing, stacking, plowing, crashing, tipping, wrapping, peeled or slapping, sacking, diesel, cutting, trucking, spanning, piping, double, clutching, spinning, sliding, digging, raking, wearing, tearing, losing wind. Oh, head to death and pray that she goes all the way. We're plats in a mat with the party hats, and I'm heading for the day. They thought that we were quitting. Well, when the sun went down, with a flame from the pipe, we drove a light till the fuel lit right out. Oh, give me a yoke with plenty of poke and a cat of easy start, and 1,500 acres hauling 40 ton of grass. I said goodbye before of July to the woman in an awful rush. And it was nearly Christmas before I got back in touch. I found a safe, but I had no brakes, couldn't keep it cool. With loads of power, was behind the north, so give the pop a screw. Out all night with no lights, only seeing stars, and the gloom from the moon, and the diesel light in the dash. Mowing, lifting, sowing, baling, drawing, hauling, bucker, raking, backing, stacking, plowing, crashing, tipping, wrapping, peeled or slapping, sucking, diesel, cutting, trucking, spreading, piping, double, clutching, spinning, sliding, digging, rigging, wearing, serving, losing weight. Oh, hit the deaf and pray that she goes all the way. We're flat to the mat with the party hats, and I'm heading for the day. They thought that we were quitting. Well, when the sun went down, with a flame from the pipe, we drove a light to do it right out. Overload on a turnhill road, slapping through the gears. Send a Snapchat of what I'm at to everyone on a beer. Hit the fuel below and it started to roll, always in the air. It was my chance to freeze the nipples I never knew was there. Need some sleep and new teeth for digging and dozing in the muck. In case it rains, needing a chin, lying in the truck. Climbing, liming, mixing, piping after the field is cut. There's many a gap you won't get at without 6,000 foot. Mowing, lifting, sowing, baling, drawing, hauling, bucker, raking, backing, stacking, plowing, crashing, tipping, wrapping, peeled or slapping, sucking, diesel, cutting, trucking, spreading, piping, double, clutching, spinning, sliding, digging, rigging, wearing, serving, losing weight. Oh, hit the deaf and pray that she goes all the way. We're flat to the mat with the party hats, and I'm heading for the day. They thought that we were quitting. Well, when the sun went down, with a flame from the pipe, we drove all night to do it right out. Oh, hit the deaf and pray that she goes all the way. We're flat to the mat with the party hats, and I'm heading for the day. They thought that we were quitting, 'cause the summer doesn't last. But we're heading to New Zealand, where the crack it only starts.
walk of life. Yeah, you do the walk of life. Here comes Johnny, gonna tell you the story. Hand me now my walking shoes. Here comes Johnny with the power and the glory. Backbeat, the talking blues. He got the action, he got the motion. Yeah, the boy can Thank you.